Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cashflow Corner. Today, we're diving into the world of real estate crowdfunding, a modern investment avenue that's gaining traction for its lucrative potential. Stick around to learn how you can get involved. What is real estate crowdfunding? Real estate crowdfunding is about pooling funds from multiple investors to finance real estate projects. Unlike traditional investments, this method offers a more accessible entry point. Benefits of real estate crowdfunding. 1. Low capital requirements. You don't need a fortune to start. 2. Diversification. Spread your investments across various properties. 3. Hands-off approach. No need to manage tenants or properties. Risks and challenges. While promising, real estate crowdfunding comes with risks like market volatility and platform reliability. It's crucial to conduct thorough research before investing. How to get started? 1. Choose a reliable platform. 2. Conduct due diligence on potential investments. Success tips. Diversify your portfolio. Mitigate risks by spreading your investments. Understand returns. Know what returns to expect from different types of investments. To wrap up, real estate crowdfunding offers exciting opportunities, but requires careful consideration of its risks and benefits. If you're interested in exploring this investment avenue, start by researching and choosing the right platform for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into investment opportunities.